stomach muscles ache,
Aha.
you will have no other care in the world.
Oh.
If laughter is the best medicine, then funny friends are instrumental to our healing.
Yes.
So we hope that, and we are blessed and we are grateful that you bring us into your lives, and many of you have echoed this sentiment.
Yeah.
And that's why we feel that we are the essential workers.
That's true. I totally agree with you, Fatwani. And what's very essential is my part of the job on this particular show, where I give you the updates of what's happening on the roads.
Yes.
It is current and it is very, very immediate. So रास्ते का हाल आपके लिए एकदम टोटल सस्ते में.
It's time for the Bandu traffic update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
Oh my God, Fatwani, as beautiful a day it is, and I would tell you even the roads are as beautiful as they can ever be on a COVID shelter-in-place time.
Correct.
No incidents ever report for you guys the entire thing. People actually are either already in that hibernating mode for the weekend.
Huh.
Because you start resting in Friday, so you can actually do a workout on Saturday. Then you can go for long hikes on Saturday.
Yeah.
Like that, Fadwani. It's people. I think people are that kind of mode right now. Because I don't see any traffic on the roads. As in, I see traffic on the road, but it's not like it's heavy traffic anywhere. No incidents. I'm so happy about. Thank you, people who are actually driving. Fadwani, I've decided one more thing.
Huh.
I'm going to thank our bandhus for being wonderful. Responsible citizens.
Huh.
One, for staying home and making sure the COVID virus does not actually spread to everybody else.
Right.
And second thing is for driving responsibly.
Huh.
Hey, come on. We need to thank people who actually are not getting into accidents.
Huh.
Isn't that something important for us?
Correct,
There you
yes.
go, Balanjan. Though we don't have the wisdom skills going on for you guys, we try to practice all the wisdom skills we have learned. And that's what I would
You
say
know,
to you guys.
I think we should get Dr. Shani on. Alto Baba. And we should actually get all the wisdom skills that we were talking about.
Yes. Well, Balanjan, we will restart it. We'll come back because what's going to happen, Balanjan, after shelter in place?
Huh.
You're not going to get back to a normal life. Let me be honest about it. And I don't want to be the bearer of bad news and all to you guys.
Yeah.
And that's nothing bad. See, normal was getting boring.
Yes.
Right? Now we have a new normal. We have to establish that normal.
Say that again, Alto Baba. Normal was
Normal
boring.
is boring. Was
Yes.
getting to be boring. We have to right now make it,
Exciting.
exciting.
Yes, totally exciting, Banajan. We've got to make it so fun that fun will think, what just happened?
Hey, I like what you're saying there, Father. You know why? I totally resonate with what you're saying.
Uh-huh.
That's exactly what we need to do. We need to create a new normal.
Yeah.
We all have complained enough of how our lives were. We complained about society.
Exactly.
Every other day you will have something or the other which actually disturbs your peace of mind.
Right.
I'm not kidding, brother. In fact, yesterday we even shared something which happening on the famous social media things like, going viral everywhere called TikTok.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think TikTok is becoming viral into Facebook as well. People are sharing those videos on Facebook nowadays.
Yeah.
Now, there was a particular video which came up. We'll talk more about that in the news item for sure. But that was the old normal. Let's make a new normal, as if we can make our own society. Let's step outside and make sure we live a life filled with empathy.
Correct.
As in how COVID shelter in place, we all became empathetic automatically, right?
Right.
We saw somebody not wearing a mask, we wore a mask and walked around because hoping we don't get something from them or we don't give them something, right? And we also started helping our neighbors.
I don't think that's the reason people wore it. People thought, let me keep myself covered from the virus.
That's still okay, man. They still showed empathy, saying that they don't want to spread it anymore, right?
Haha, theek hai.
For the greater good.
If you say so.
Yeah, I would like to say so. I would like to believe so as well.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you about Jan. We need to actually learn from our past and actually plan a new future.
Yeah.
And the opportunity is coming up in another 15 days because May 31st, yippee! Shelter in place will be relaxed a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, when businesses come back into work, like for instance, I was just reading about a very interesting headline. McDonald's is going to look totally different when they come back live.
Exactly.
All the centers. We'll talk more about that, but don't worry. News items ke liye, aapke liye, we have tons of things for you guys. But in the meanwhile, abhi traffic update ho gaya. What happens after traffic update on our show?
The beach mein Gaane Ka Keeda.
Gaane Keeda stand-up. Now, this is a wonderful Gaane Keeda, has a great message in it. And this particular message is something which Mahima ji always to talk about. We also talk about constantly. This is the fact that, yaar, come on. एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के बोल जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल तो प्यारे प्यारे बोल बोलो talk sweet to your loved ones, to anybody you meet in life, right? So enjoy the song. We'll be back right after this. अगर आप सोच रहे कौन से फिल्म का है धर्म करम
एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। तुझे के होठों को देकर अपने गीत, कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से डोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। ला 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 ला।
So true, Banajan. जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल. That's what is our Mahima ji used to tell us always. So when you choose your words, when you choose to communicate, please choose kindness and speak wisely.
अनहोनी पथ में कांटे लाख बिछाए, होनी तो फिर भी बिछड़ा यार मिलाए। अनहोनी पथ में कांटे लाख बिछाए, होनी तो फिर भी बिछड़ा यार मिलाए। ये बिरहा ये दूरी दो पल की मजबूरी, फिर कोई दिल वाला काहे को घबराए। करम पम धारा जो बहती है मिलके रहती है, बहती धारा बन जा फिर दुनिया से डोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। ला 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 ला। पर्दे के पीछे बैठी सांवल गोरी, थाम के तेरे मेरे मन की डोरी। पर्दे के पीछे बैठी सांवल गोरी, थाम के तेरे मेरे मन की डोरी। ये डोरी ना छूटे ये बंधन ना टूटे, भोर होने वाली है अब रहना है थोड़ी। करम तम सर को झुकाए तू बैठा क्या है यार, गोरी से नैना जोड़ फिर दुनिया से जोड़। एक दिन बिक जाए।
And what wonderful poetry by Majrooh Sultanpuri sir. And yes, Baranjan, if you're wondering who are the people acting in this, Raj Kapoor Sahib on stage on a wheel which has that, it moves like a rail, right? It goes, slides from one point to other point. Very nice picturization, by the way. And you wonder who's music direction? R.D. Burman. R.D. Burman Sahib. And Gana kisne gaya Fatwani?
Of course, Mukesh.
And chorus.
Yes. Asosle.
And chorus also.
Excuse me. We are talking about तूने बोला गाना किसने गाया है तो मेन सिंगर जो है हमारे मुकेश साहब हैं.
Why always focus on the main singers? Why can't we talk about the chorus singers also?
Why not? Yes, because you know what, Bandajan, we often don't realize कि जो background maybe there's a lot that goes to make something look good and sound good. जो उनके chorus singers, backup singers भी हैं. In fact, जब आप performances भी देखते हैं, a lot of the people who sing are backup singers. They are the ones who actually they'll sing that harmony.
They call them. They used to call them as track singers. Okay, ना कि लता मंगेशकर, रफी साहब, Kishore Kumar, I don't know. I can't talk much about it. Lata Mangeshkar के बारे में बहुत बात किए हैं. Asha Bhosle also. They never used to come and sing for tracks.
Oh, really?
There used to be somebody else to sing for them. Like S.P. Balasubramanian also. There used to be track singers.
Right.
And then they come for the final take.
Correct.
हाँ, ऐसे बहुत होता था Bandajan. But right now I'll tell you what she's very right about that. We got to talk about what's happening around the world. Right now, next news item आने वाला है. And this news, of course, Bandajan updates which you get from us every day, Monday to Thursday, is thanks to the news blog mediamahima.com, जहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा well, I should say the most current news items. Now you might say current news items मतलब क्या है फालतू बाबा? Current news items मतलब what is happening right now in local markets, in global markets, and especially for us being desis, Indian markets as well. उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Now right now it's time for us to go into the news updates. And Faltrani, are we ready with the headlines?
Yes, we are. And before we head into the headlines, just want to give a shout out to all the bandhus joining us on Facebook. We're glad that we woke you up, Urmilda. Thank you so much. Bhargavi, nice to see you too, and thank you for those kind words. It's been a long time since we connected with you on Facebook on our live broadcast. And to all our bandhus who are joining us, thank you for bringing us into your bedrooms, living rooms, wherever you are.
Yeah.
I hope you're not watching it in your bathroom, but it's okay. It's fine. If you want to listen to us, it's fine
It's
too.
one way, so we won't hear anything which you're going to flush with it.
Yeah. But let's go on over to the headlines. The CDC is warning doctors about a childhood illness that is linked to COVID-19.
Oh, wow.
Yes. CDC issues tools to guide reopening of schools, businesses, and transit. US states are reopening in a patchwork, underscoring political differences. The red states are opening up, the blue states are slowing down. Richard Burr to step down as Senate Intelligence Committee Chairman. The FBI nabbed his cell phone and he has since announced that he is stepping down. Germany, Europe's largest economy, enters a recession due to the coronavirus. And the US cracks down on global chip exports to Huawei. China's retaliation is currently being eyed.
They already had put a very heavy tax on imports from China, by the way.
Yes.
And that's something impacting many businesses over here. In fact, even our local people, friends, I know bandhus who actually deal with, the Chinese market, actually also facing the problem. They're facing the fact that people are not buying goods from China because they're more expensive. And it's actually going to be affecting the end user.
Yeah.
That's you and me. If you go buy a iPhone now, you've got to buy all this high-tech stuff, right?
Right.
Most of them actually have the parts and things from those kind of places.
Right.
So obviously you're going to find out when you come out of shelter in place, that price tag is going to be like sticker shock for everybody.
Correct.
Yeah.
Well, one thing that's being speculated, and we'll share that with you shortly in the tech news, Banjan, is the fact that China is considering putting Apple on suspect companies list, meaning products that they do not want people to be buying. Thank you, Anna Ji, for clarifying that you're listening while working. She says not in the bathroom for sure.
Sure.
So thank you very much. Okay, let's start with something that is really something that Altu Baba shared with you a little while ago. We talked about McDonald's, right? Yes, Banajan, McDonald's is going to look drastically different when it opens. Now, for those of you who are wondering why are you talking about McDonald's, Faltu? We don't eat at McDonald's. A lot of people take their kids because they have those play structures and things like that, right?
Yeah.
So when McDonald's restaurants reopen their dining rooms, customers should expect stickers on the floor encouraging physical distancing and the closure of several self-serve beverage bars. So there's not going to be those self-serve bars anymore. Workers wearing masks might check in with a thumbs up or kindly ask you to move away from others.
Whoa.
Yep. The chain, which is preparing to reopen its locations to dine-in customers as some U.S. states loosen stay-at-home orders, recently sent out a detailed instruction manual to franchise operators in the United States. It's a 59-page document, which was obtained by CNN Business, and it outlines the minimum sanitation and social distancing requirements each must meet before it opens its dining rooms.
Okay, if people out there listening and right now looking at the business opportunities, what you can do, well, get into a particular business which actually manufactures these chemicals for cleaning,
Huh.
like Clorox and anything else.
Well, there's another thing that they're doing, that after every customer sits at a table, workers are expected to go and wipe down the tables.
There you go. And you also can manufacture those cloths, wipe down stuff.
Yeah.
Reusable cloths, preferably.
Yeah.
Yeah, biodegradable also.
And the bathrooms are going to be cleaned every 30 minutes, and they're supposed to maintain a tracking log.
Yeah.
If the person who didn't clean, appropriate action will be taken.
Well, first of all, I would request one thing. All these gas stations follow suit and try to maintain that if possible. And also allow people other than your customers to use restrooms here. What is this?
Yeah.
We're going to talk about that sometime, Fatmani, on the show.
Yeah, and they're also being asked to close off certain areas of the restaurant so that not too many people are going to be in the restaurant at one particular point in time. And there's so many different things. I'll share that news story on MediaMahima.com. Here, in fact, in not just McDonald's, in Virginia, there is a restaurant which is going to open, and just to make sure that people are going to physically distance, guess what they're going to do?
What are they going to do?
They're actually going to have social distancing mannequins.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so, if there is a booth, then how people should sit at that particular booth. So there will be mannequins that won't allow you to sit. Yeah.
So does it mean date nights are going to change drastically?
Oh, yeah, well.
Oh my God, Father, just when I thought I'd get active on dating and everything, what is this? My God, everything social is coming up
You
right
be
now.
quiet, Haltu Baba, you and your dating. First find somebody to date. We'll talk about that later. But, that's a very interesting conversation. What happens to people who are dating during the time of quarantine?
And nobody has talked about these Tinder services.
And what about the intimacy?
Wait. Nobody's talked about Tinder services. What's happening there? Have they shut down totally?
No, they haven't.
Shelter in place. Are they following social distancing?
Well, either ways, let's go on over and let's give you the news headlines for this morning, Marjan. One of the biggest concerns that's coming out right now is that the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention issued a health advisory to thousands of doctors across the country yesterday, advising them to be on the lookout for a troubling new syndrome that may be associated with the COVID-19 infection.
Wow.
This syndrome is called the multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children. It's MIS-C. The multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children. And it has been seen in children across Europe and in at least 18 states in the United States, plus Washington, D.C. Doctors in the UK first alerted the other doctors to syndrome in April. Since then, physicians in other countries, including Italy and France, have reported clusters of some of these cases. So what happens in this case is... initially, it was called the Kawasaki disease, if you remember that. A rare inflammatory condition that usually involves the major arteries and the heart. But there were too many cases for it to be Kawasaki, and the doctors agreed that it was a different type of inflammatory syndrome. Many, not all of the children tested positive either for COVID-19 infection or a past infection. It's rarely fatal, and most children recover from this, supposedly. So please do look out for it. The CDC has issued tools to guide reopening of schools, buses, and transit. We will post a detailed link on our website as to what should schools be looking out for. Restaurants, bars, mass transit, and other workplaces are encouraged to implement similar monitoring systems for their employees. In particular, mass transit agencies should not increase services unless they can put into place these measures to protect employees at high risk, according to the CDC. The United States is reopening in different parts of the country, and it's specifically, like I said, the red and blue states that's underscoring political differences. Less populated areas of New York, Virginia, and Maryland took their first steps towards lifting lockdowns on Friday, part of a patchwork approach to the coronavirus, underscoring political divisions across the United States. And of course, construction and manufacturing facilities in 5 out of 10 New York State regions were given the green light to restart operations on Friday, although Greater New York City is still the epicenter of the nation's crisis and it remains under strict limits. US companies are discovering the dark side of a COVID-19 business boom. What is that? You will have to go to mediamahima.com. And in news from India, Bandhujan, they're saying the army in India is saying that they're going to maintain combat readiness on fronts with China and Pakistan.
Wow.
Yeah, apparently there is some tension along that border, but they've not come out for the entire news. But they're saying despite budgetary cuts due to COVID-19, they are going to still remain combat ready in those areas. That's pretty much what we have in the news headlines and the news in brief for you this morning. Madhujan, we'll be back tonight live at 5 at the Pam Pam Show. If you want to keep yourself entertained, download the Radio Day Hotties app and listen to us all day long. Bye. We'll see you shortly.
एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल।